The global version of the Redmi Note 14 5G is officially launched, and in this video we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, hardware specs, and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let me tell you that this is the global version of Redmi Note 14 5G. This is not the Chinese version. This is not the version that was launched earlier in India. This is the global version that will be launched in Europe, Middle East, etc. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the Mi branding Redmi Note 14. This is a 5G smartphone. It comes with 108 megapixel AI camera with 45 watt turbocharging. It is powered by Xiaomi's HyperOS and it comes with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, and the color variant we got inside is lavender purple. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got a SIM card tray ejector pin. We got some quick start guide, user manuals. Here is a case for the back panel. The Redmi Note 14 5G in lavender purple color. Here we've got the 45 watt charger and a USB Type-C cable. So these are all of the stuffs we got inside the retail box. The smartphone Redmi Note 14 5G, a SIM card tray ejector pin, case for the back panel, USB Type-C cable, 45 watt charger, and some quick start guide user manuals. So here is our Redmi Note 14 5G. On this protective envelope, you can have a look on some of the hardware specs of the device. That it comes with 108 megapixel AI camera with optical image stabilization. We got 45 watt turbocharging with 5110 mAh battery. The device is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra processor. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and it comes with 120Hz eye care display along with IP64 water and dust resistance. So here is our Redmi Note 14 5G in lavender purple, and as you can see, it is looking very beautiful and eye-catching and quite premium as well. So let's switch on the device. After that, we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on our Redmi Note 14 5G here. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Redmi Note 14 5G. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, we got this huge display with punch hole in the top center where you will find the front facing camera. The bezels on the sides are quite thin, but compared to them, the top and bottom bezels are a bit thicker, but still the overall screen to body ratio is pretty huge. Officially it is 92% and that's quite impressive. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, primary microphone, USB Type-C port, and the SIM card tray slot that comes with hybrid SIM features, so you can use the SIM2 slot for a micro SD card as well. At the top we got the 3.5mm jack. Once again, this is quite nice that Xiaomi is still providing 3.5mm jack on Redmi series. We got the speaker grill, IR blaster, secondary microphone. On the right side we got the power button and volume keys. There's nothing on the left side, and on the back we got this eye-catching design. So here we got the Redmi 5G branding. Here we got some regulatory information. Then at the top left we got this camera module that comes with this new camera deco that is curved on all four sides and it merges with the body of the back panel. Surprisingly, the camera module pump is minimal, and once again this is quite nice and it gives premium vibe to the device. We got this 108 megapixel OIS branding, the LED flash, and the multi-tone design of the back panel of Redmi Note 14 5G is quite eye-catching. As you can see, it is divided in 4 rectangular shapes and all of these got a bit different color tones of lavender and purple, and at different angle they look different depending on at what angle you are looking at it. Also the back panel is slightly curved on all 4 edges that once again looks quite beautiful and premium, and it also provides nice grip while holding the device in hand. The Redmi Note 14 5G is just 8mm thick and it weighs 190 grams, and because of this huge screen to body ratio, you will be able to use the device with one hand without facing any issue, as you can see here. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. The frame is made of plastic. The same goes with the back panel as well, and it comes with IP64 water and dust resistance. So considering the price segment of the device, the Redmi Note 14 5G is quite durable thanks to the Gorilla Glass 5 and IP64 combination. Talking about the display, we got a 6.67-inch display with 2400 1080 pixels resolution. So the PPI you will get is 394. It is an AMOLED panel that comes with HDR10 Plus support, 2160Hz touch sampling rate, 100% of DCI-P3 color gamut, multiple TV Rhineland eye care certification, along with 5 million:1 contrast ratio. Because of this, the display of the Redmi Note 14 5G is very sharp and beautiful. As you can see here, the colors are vibrant and beautiful, and you won't see any pixelation on the screen of Redmi Note 14 5G. The viewing angles are also quite nice, and it looks very beautiful. It comes with Widevine L1 certification, so you will be able to stream and watch high quality content on your Redmi Note 14 5G, and this is the reason that it comes with Netflix pre-installed on it. The maximum peak brightness can go as high as 2100 nits, so you won't face any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors, and it comes with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and because of that the display of Redmi Note 14 5G is very smooth, as you can see here. Now talking about the hardware specs, the Redmi Note 14 5G comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra processor. We got 8GB RAM and 256GB storage on this device. Out of 256GB storage, nearly 27GB is preoccupied by the pre-installed applications, ROMs, etc. And the user available storage is 229.4GB once you start using the device. Along with 8GB RAM, it also comes with memory extension feature that allows you to extend the memory 8GB more to have better user experience on this device. It comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor that is placed at a very convenient location on the display of Redmi Note 14 5G, so you will be able to use it without facing any issue. Talking about the software, the Redmi Note 14 5G comes with Xiaomi HyperOS 1.0.2 and it runs on Android 14. So it comes with plenty of Xiaomi HyperOS application like the Gallery, App Mall, Mi Browser, Music, Themes, Mi Video, Game Center, Security, Files, File Manager, Cleaner. It also comes with Google Gemini, Microsoft OneDrive and the Netflix, as we have seen earlier. And in the System Apps folder you will find some nice and useful applications like the Mi Remote, as it comes with an IR Blaster, Scanner, FM radio, Calculator, Audio Recorder, Compass, etc. And in this More Apps and Games you will find some third-party applications, but if you do not want to use any of them, you can easily uninstall them from your Redmi Note 14 5G. So this is once again quite nice that Xiaomi is providing the option to uninstall all of these third-party bloatware applications in which you won't be interested, hopefully. Xiaomi HyperOS comes with plenty of options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity, as we have seen earlier, and Redmi Note 14 5G is not an exception, as it comes with plenty of options that you can use to customize your user experience on this device and improve your productivity as well. The user interface is very smooth, as you can see here. You can give the credit to the 120Hz refresh rate display as well as the hardware and software optimization by Xiaomi on Redmi Note 14 5G. Now talking about the camera, we got 20 megapixel front facing camera, and on the back we got 108 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 2 megapixel macro lens. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that you got the 0.6x toggle. It comes with 3x in sensor zoom, so we got the toggle for 3x zoom as well. It comes with HDR, and we got the options for AI camera, dynamic shots, macro lens, shutter type, timer, tilt shift, time burst, flash, watermark, etc. If we go to the video, you can see that we can record only 1080p resolution videos up to 30 fps. So there is no option to record 4K videos. There is no option to record 60 fps videos in any scenario. There is a dedicated 108 megapixel imaging mode provided. We got the document mode, we got the portrait mode, that is the combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. We got the night mode where the wide angle mode and the 3x zoom is available as well. And then if you go to the more, here you can find the pro mode, panorama, slow motion and time lapse. So as you can see, we got good amount of options and settings when it comes to camera. But one huge drawback here is that you cannot record 4K resolution videos, you cannot record 60 FPS videos on Redmi Note 14 5G. So for still images, it sounds good, but if you record plenty of videos, especially in 4K or at 60 FPS, then you will be disappointed a bit for sure with Redmi Note 14 5G. We will see how good the camera performance of the device is going to be in our future videos. Right now, I just wanted to give you a quick idea about the camera features and options we got here on this device. So overall, the Redmi Note 14 5G is looking a nice smartphone in its price segment and also a bit better compared to the competition in few aspects. We got a very gorgeous 120Hz HDR10 Plus supported AMOLED display with huge screen to body ratio, Gorilla Glass 5 and IP64 protection, 3.5mm jack, hybrid SIM slot, Dolby Atmos powered stereo speaker setup, a very beautiful premium and eye-catching back panel, and a promising looking camera setup. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of the Redmi Note 14 5G like the gaming review, benchmarking test score results, comparison with other smartphones, battery performance test, battery charging test, camera performance test, etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.